Hey people, good afternoon, good afternoon. Welcome back to Hartman Adventures. Jay again. Just left off my work and decided to go do some fishing this evening. Just for decide that money no easy, I overtake around corner. Yeah, so as I was saying, just left work and decided to go do some fishing. Now I really go far this evening. And I might link up with Uncle Bertie as well. So I could see what I go on this evening. I don't really have no bait yet, because I didn't catch any. Well, I have just a small amount of bait that I had in my freezer from Saturday. Caught some bait Saturday and I did freeze some of them. But I'm gonna try to see what I can do. I try to see if I can pick up a snap or two this evening. I try if I go to one store, see if I can get a piece of chicken breast or something I can use as bait, because snap of them kind of like the chicken. So welcome again to Hartman Adventures. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel, people. Kind of feel a little bit stuffy this evening. Feel stuffy from last week, but it's just a cool, man. Try to see if I can get some tablet as well, some Panadol, get it deal with. But yeah, people, alright family, just pick up some chicken breasts at the store, grab a snack for myself, some piece of cornmeal pudding. Take a bit now, I don't have that, and a Gatorade. So see if I can go round a little location, you know. I want to bring my daughter around there one day to make she try her rod, because around here not really have waves and things like that, and she not gonna really get hooked up. So I want to bring her around there one day, make she can get to fully use her rod. So look out for that video there. Someone drop that video there. But when I reach my spot and set up, then we tune in back with you know. So I approach my location now, people, and tell you the truth, outside look extremely dark. It look like we're about to get some rain this evening, because the sky look really overcast, really dark. So might cut the fishing trip a bit short this evening, because we might get some rain in the late evening, yeah. But let's see, don't know yet. Alright people, so just reached at the location, and we can already see a few mullets jumping just about right out there. You can see small mullet them a jump in the water. I have my cast net, so I don't know if I can get a few mullet in here and use them as bait. They are not really close to the pier right now, so that might be a little bit tricky. They're a little bit out there. But if they come in a bit closer, I'll try the cast net. There are some huge mullets in here as well. Huge mullets. But like I see, we'll look some snapper this evening. Can see a few shad right here, so few shad, nice shallow. Water is pretty clear as well. Normally it's a little bit green, but it's clear right now, very clear. So could try to get something in that water and see what I go on this evening. Bring my smaller rod, which is the rod I normally use for casting. So this is my rod that I normally use for casting. My rod here. Normally use this for casting. Really nice rod. It's a 7-foot rod. I don't even know South Bend. This is the very first rod I've ever owned, and trust me, it has been fantastic. I've caught some very big fish on this, and now this is my wife's rod. I don't think she know I'm using it this evening, because I just put it in a car. I'm never tell her. But this rod, really love this rod as well. It's a Quantum Optics, yeah, Quantum Optic 60. Really nice rod. So these are what I'm working with this evening. I have my bucket just in case I catch anything. I have my cast net here just in case any of the mullet them come in a little bit closer, can give them a cast, cause don't plan for going on our water this evening. I may have my net. If I catch something too big, as soon as I get my rods out in the water, I tune in back to you guys. So yeah people, just set out the line here and I try set up this. Put on a piece of slab bait on this one and that one that I just throw out, and it just get a nice little run. But me think I want crab because it just run and stop. The run again, but I go and watch him. Oh, mullet them there, man. See mullet them a jump right over there, so. Some very big mullet in here now, people. Very, very big mullet. Just continue watching. Pretty soon you're gonna see them jump over there, so. Already? What you say? Alright, bossy, just land. All that. Mangrove snapper. Alright, this one I just come in right here, so I'll land a mangrove already. What you say? More again? Them a bite this evening, yeah, man. I see him chicken here, too. I see him chicken here, too. Run again, no? Slab, piece of cut spread. Oh, so them are gone. Any mullet they come in for the bread and I catch one today. I cast them. Any of them come in, I cast them. What do you mean? Eh? Yes, people, so lines are in the water. See them out here jump all boat. The mullet them, some big ones. But them now bite so far. You see that? Yeah, people, so still they are wait for my first hookup. Don't get any hookup as yet. I have one piece of slab bait on this. What? Just get a jerk a while ago. This one just get a jerk a while ago. So I have on a slab bait on that. I have on a piece of chicken on this one. Still don't get no hookup as yet. Crab them out here. Eat off all I bait them. There are a lot of crabs out here. So still I wait for the hookup. This one just get a nudge a while ago. But no run. So I give him little time. He not ready yet. bridging cross there so catch mangrove snapper. Smaller one, but still hook up one. But me not get no run yet. Alright, you notice this definitely is a crab. This nudge a while ago seemed like a crab. Alright people, see what do you damage ya? Them thing. See them? If you bite them, a bite off, you beat them for an evening. So now get no hook up on no snapper or anything else. Mullet them in here, them just a jump around the place. But them not bite either. Night I come down here now still. So still the out here see me still, so still I wait for a bite. Maybe in a little bit darker hours, snapper start bite. Hopefully. Don't know, but still there I try. See two virgin just a come in all the way down there, so on a kayak. Don't know how far them a come from, but them a come from up the stream or come down. Bar just come up with water now. Him have some craft items, seems like him do carving or something like that. Blessings, blessings, blessings. Yeah, him have some craft items, like him do carving or something. So him just gone duck. Watch out. Crab, eh? Well, yeah, people, think that I feel today, you know, come out, come search, but now get no hook up, and the mosquito them active right now. So I'll see if I can shift from that spot, yeah, or I might go home. I'm not sure, depends how I feel this evening. But if I stop on next spot, I start the video again. But if not, then thanks for watching the video. Thanks for joining Hartman Adventures. And remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you again in the next video.